Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram searches private or just want to tidy up your search history, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to delete specific items from your Instagram recent searches with the latest steps for 2025. This method is quick, easy, and keeps your Instagram experience clean and personal. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Your Activity. This section is where you'll find a record of your interactions on Instagram, including your recent searches. Scroll down and tap on Recent Searches. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts, hashtags, and places you've searched for recently. Now, to delete a specific search item, simply look for the small X icon next to the search entry you want to remove. Tap the X, and just like that, the item disappears from your recent searches. You can repeat this step for any other searches you want to delete, one by one. This method is perfect if you only want to remove certain searches instead of clearing your entire search history. It gives you full control over what stays and what goes, making it easy to keep your Instagram searches private or just more organized. Remember, cleaning up your search history can help your Instagram feel more personalized and clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your Instagram settings and privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.